Welcome back to my channel. In my last video, we unboxed and set up the Glowforge Aura. So in this video, I thought it'd be fun to make my first project and give you my initial thoughts on the machine as we go along. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to follow along in my Glowforge journey. Now let's get crafting. I was surprised at how loud the machine is when you have it going along with the filter. So I will be purchasing some earplugs to make sure I have them in my ears whenever I'm going to be using this machine. The Aura is a diode laser compared to the Glowforge Pro and Basic, which are CO2 lasers. So this machine will cut a lot slower than those other ones. Even with having the filter, you're not gonna have zero smell while you're using this machine. So I suggest opening up a window in the room that you're using it with, and it will help a lot. Having this Proofgrade wood made this cut so much easier. It was kind of a set it and forget it. The machine read the QR code and set everything automatically, so I wouldn't have to worry or play around with all the settings. So now that we have it out of the Glowforge, we are going to take my weeding tool and take off the mask on both the front and the back, and then we will get started painting. I can already tell that I will need multiple coats of the paint to make sure it's the color I want. So we'll go ahead and do a few coats. Coats of the paint, and I didn't like how it was turning out. As you can see, it really didn't seep through well enough, so I decided to go ahead and get some embroidery thread and just thread it around each one. And it's just really simple. You just take it through and through until you get to the end. Now that I'm at the end, I'm taking some wood glue on a toothpick and gluing down the string. I'll let it dry for about 5 minutes and then I'll cut the excess off. Right now it's time to cut the excess off. And there is my first project with the Glowforge. The Aura is small, compact, and can fit on your desk, which I loved. And having the Proofgrade material to make my first project made it so easy. Even though I had a little hiccup with the paint, it still turned out great, and I can't wait to see what other projects we make with the Aura. Until next time, stay crafty.